Do you have a nest egg to supersize your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Nest egg, egg nested in an egg. I love Easter. Easter wasn't that long ago, so I still have eggs easily accessible. So what does it have to do with growing and supersizing our business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, Supersize Your Business. And our idiom, our expression, our financial idiom for the month of May, Money May, is nest egg. Well, a nest egg, the term nest egg has been used to refer to savings since the late 17th century. So for a really long time, people have considered a nest egg are savings for retirement. I say savings for unexpected circumstances, emergencies, unexpected events that come up in our life, accident, illnesses, whatever. Of course, we could say we've got insurance for that, but insurance doesn't cover everything. I know that from personal experience. Insurance will cover a part of it, but you still might be on the hook for hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars sometimes. So how can we use this idiom, this expression, having a nest egg, to supersize and grow our business? Number one, our businesses ebb and flow, right? In growth, and we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down. We have our business profits hopefully are going up, 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 but sometimes they go down, right? We know that everything in life fluctuates, right? It ebbs and flows depending on so many factors. We couldn't even go into them all here. So we want to make sure that we have a buffer. That's why we budget. That's why we have buffers. That's why we fundraise and do other things. That's why we have why we have insurance, why we have access to lines of credit, etc., when we're building and growing and supersizing our business. But part of that should be making sure that we are creating a nest egg for ourselves and the people that work with us and help us build and grow and supersize the business, right? I think we all have the dream of starting a business, building a business, growing a business, then selling that business. And that's what I used to consider my nest egg. And I found that what we spend 25, 30 years creating might not be as valuable to someone else as it is to us. And even though it provided millions and millions of dollars for us, other people might not see it as that valuable and may not want to buy it. I've found that in several businesses in several industries. We build these great businesses, but they're great to us. And I think a lot of online entrepreneurs are learning, and a lot of online businesses, that their particular business or entity might bring in millions of dollars and lots of money, but when they go to sell it, there really aren't many assets that they're selling. And so their business is valued at a lot less than they had expected it to. But then you see the dot-com stuff and the tech companies going for billions of dollars when they're in the same boat, right? But it doesn't work the same for us little guys as it does for billion-dollar social media companies. So we want to keep that in mind. We want to make sure that we are investing in things that we can control. One of my personal beliefs is there are a lot of things we can invest in and create multiple streams of income and have contributing to our nest egg. And I believe we should have multiple streams of income contributing to that. But when it comes to investing in our business and investing, we need to make sure that we are, and this is why I believe I don't like to buy stocks and things anymore, because we got burnt in the tech bubble and wiped out our nest egg at the time. Like, nest eggs come and go. So other people's stocks, other things I don't know about or can't control, I don't choose to invest in anymore. But I do choose to go all in on things I do control, which is building and supersizing and growing my own business or businesses. Those I will invest and reinvest in all the time. We want to maximize our options when building our nest egg for whatever we want it for, whether it's for our retirement or for building the various stages as our business goes through them. And we can do that by adding different things and researching, having insurance, of course, but also creating things like 401k plans and retirement plans, because guess what? That's a way of paying ourselves first, because if we create that for all the people in our company, not only are they benefiting and will be happier and more likely to stay, but we're benefiting as well, because we can be part of those retirement investments and 401k plans, things like that. So curious, do you have a nest egg? Yes or no? I got a nest egg, but I had a much larger nest egg before a lot of my stock investments and things went belly up. But do you have a nest egg? Yes or no? And then what do you choose and how do you choose to build that nest egg when it comes to growing and supersizing and building your business. A lot of times, all of my efforts for building the nest egg for my business are reinvesting in that business as much as I possibly can. All right. Any questions? Hit me up. Otherwise, have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow for another financial idiom for the month of May. We're going to do financial idioms every day this month, and then next month, when we switch to relationships, we'll do a relationship idiom every day, and how does that relate to building and growing and supersizing your business. All right, have an awesome Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow.